Well, hello everyone. I found my cousin. What the hell? Apparently we lost a box of our items. So Katie and I, our group, decided to meet at 3 o'clock, and it's 3 o'clock on the dot. I thought we were running late, but we're actually right on time. I wonder if they are actually here. Let's see. They are not, so we beat them to it right on time, so that's good. Yeah, 3 o'clock on the dot. Hi.
Hi.
This one? The big one?
Wow. Sir, you wait a moment. Wait, boy.
Okay.
Boy.
Okay. Currently it is what time? 3:30, so we are 30 minutes behind our schedule. They are loading our luggages at the moment, and we are still waiting for one more person, and she is here right on time. Hello. Okay, so we are booking Grab car to the airport, and they are arriving in 4 minutes, so hopefully we get to go to the airport just in time, because it will take about 40 minutes from here, I think, without traffic. By the way, look at all of our bags. Look, for 5 people, 2 big boxes, 2 medium boxes, a lot of backpack, and some small hand roll as well. Oh, video. Look, too many. Okay, the car's coming in 1 minute, so hopefully we'll be there on time. Okay. I don't think this will fit 5 people. It will not. 4? Yes. Okay, get in.
Okay. Suvarnabhumi Airport.
Go home.
Go back home.
Traffic jam today.
Hello everyone, so we are at Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok, and I have just finished queuing up for the VAT refund. I didn't have a lot of stuff, right? So it was quite quick. They just see it, stamp it, and ready to go. So right now I need to check in all my luggage, and then we can go through immigration and then go inside. After immigration I can collect the money. I think we can do in cash, but I'm not sure because of COVID that if that still applies, you know, with the cash payment. Okay, let's go check in my baggage. Just checked in, all good to go. Look, virtually there's no one there. I just hop in to the first one in the row, and then I got my boarding pass. Meanwhile, my cousin and my friend still queuing for Thai Smart because they allow 30k per person from my memory, so that's a lot. Mine only 20, so already checked up. I'll see you after immigration. Well, hello everyone. I have just passed the immigration, and look at this statue. It's quite something, isn't it? Right now I'm waiting for my friends and my cousin. Hopefully they get through alright, and then we're going to see our gate. I'm flying with Bangkok Airways, right? And for them, any tickets with them, from my memory, I think I am allowed to use the lounge, which is, you know, one of the advantages flying with Bangkok Airways. So then, you know, you can get to use the lounge, eat, drink, and stay there for a short period before you fly.
Moments later.
Just finished off the VAT refund right there. Got 150 baht back. Money is money, right? So right now I am on my way to see my friend and my cousins off. They literally on the other side of the gate. I mean the airport. They are at gate C2, I believe. It's a bit of a walk, but this has to be done to conclude our trip together, right? Yeah. So walk with me. shopping. Okay, bye. So I didn't make it. They literally were the last people to board. Currently it is what, like 6 o'clock now, and yeah, Casey was waiting for me, but I couldn't make it. It will take another 10 minutes or so to be there. But yeah, I guess that concludes our trip together. It's been fun. It's been like what, 10 days since last Saturday. We did 2 countries together, Laos and Bangkok in Thailand. Anyway, I'll see you at the gate. Back that way.
Little later.
Hello. So, as you could see, there is no one here except me, and they literally put the food away because it's boarding time, right? But the lady was so kind enough that she will bring me some. Okay, so normally before you fly, you can come to the lounge, relax, eat food, drink and stuff, and they do that with Bangkok Airways. But unfortunately, I was a bit late because I was waiting for the VAT refund, and then I was trying to get into my friends and my cousin to send them off properly, like see face to face. But yeah, it's almost time. It's 6:06. I think it's 6:06 at the moment, and my flight will leave at 6:45, so I better hurry. And the lady was so kind, like she brought me all the stuff, like I think this is like finger sandwich, and then some half pastry, and then traditional Thai food as well. I might pack everything and then bring it on board. So anyway, I guess we're here now, so I better close off this vlog. Bangkok only. Yeah, like I use this vlog to do like a quick short vlog continuous series, and I really enjoy my time at Bangkok. Every time I come here, it's been a wonderful time. Bangkok Airways is such a great airline. They are quite small. I think they are medium size. I don't classify them as small, and their customer service is amazing. That they provide all of this just for free and amazing. Yeah. Oh, sticky rice and bean and coconut. Really well. Next one, some cheddar cheese bread. Really nice. Thank you so much.
speak.
One hour later.
I found my cousin. What the hell?
Yes, I understand that.
Still here? No. Remember earlier we split the flight, right? I flew with Bangkok Airways and she flew with Thai Smile, and apparently we lost a box of our item. So only got 2. We meant to have 3 with the box. I thought there was I thought there was no drama, but then here comes the drama. Anyway, just to finish off, I just finished the flight from Bangkok to Phnom Penh. Just over an hour. It was 30-minute delay to be honest, but the services, everything, the flight was smooth, easy going, very well. I got served with some chicken stew and min pie as a dessert, so that was lovely. Yeah, and that's it, and hopefully I get my bag soon. There it is, found it. Okay, quick update. So according to my cousin, Thai Smile often lost luggages. I had no idea. And she's been waiting for like, how long have you been waiting?
1 hour.
For 1 hour, luckily. Wow, I don't know what to say. And then thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more video and check out my other vlog. After this, I will continue I Heart Cambodia Season 2. So click like and subscribe. Follow me for more videos in that series, because this is my second series of I Heart Cambodia, and I want to show you guys everything about Cambodia that I'm going to experience in the next 10 days or so. So yeah, see you soon.